channel. I just wanted to give y'all a look at the swag that I made for my spring mantle. It's completely take apartable because I imagine I'll do other things with every single piece that's up here, but I wanted to keep it really simple. And I used some fabrics from Doreen's Crystals and Pearls kit. I'm going to show y'all. We got some here and here. I'm not sure if that's, I think that's one of mine. Here's some more from the kit. And here's some more. But anyway, these roses that I made a bunch of them. I made some lace and some out of satin. Laura Bourgeois inspired me with the ones that she made. I did make these a little bit more crinkly so they're more tight than the ones that she showed. I've got a, let me turn that on here so y'all can see. Let's see here. This is an olive branch that has lights on it. I got that from Amazon. And then I have intertwined in it, it's like a really, really long pampas grass piece of sorts. And then I've got rusted bells intertwined. Tons of lace and other different fabrics y'all can see. I've got strings of pearls all throughout. More pearls and all different kind of colors of pearls. And I've got a string of like, see the sparkly fake diamonds, rhinestones here, more pearls. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all. And yeah, my spring swag, keeping it simple for the spring. It will change. But anyway, thank y'all for watching and we'll talk again soon. Bye.